everyone. I've had a few questions about your final portfolio, which is your Google site. So I was going to come on here and show you a quick video. So you want to be on Google and open a new tab. Come up here to your menu bar, which is on the right-hand side. It says Google Apps. Click on that. And up will open your choices. So you want to come to sites. Also, if for some reason that doesn't come up, you can do sites.google.com. And then you're going to look on the left-hand side for your menu bar, and you're going to come down here to where it says New Google Sites. Click on that. And again, your Google Sites should open. I have quite a few, so mine is a little confusing. But we're going to come to the one that says Your Name. So open it up. A few things when looking at the assignment that you should have. Again, it's going to take a minute. You should have changed this background picture. You should have your name. You should have a picture of you and about me with 2 paragraphs. So if you come down here, here's the picture of myself and here's 2 paragraphs. I will be linking this with this presentation so you can look at my Google site and see what is supposed to be on there. Then if you have that, that's all you need. If you come to the next tab, which is Professional Forms, you should have those of you that are in PTL or TSSN should have goals. Those of you and professional experience. Those of you who are in child development should not have anything here. Then if you look at your drop down, or I always find it easier to come over here to Pages and click on this little arrow, we have Master Application and Resume. So you should have your Master Application titled and then attached. And then you should also have your resume titled and attached. You should also have your cover letter, thank you letter, and letter of resignation. So if you don't have them like I don't, you're going to come up here where it says Professional Forms, the 3 dots, and you are going to click Add a Subpage. Under Subpage, I said we should have cover letter. Done. I should also have thank you letter, which this was already an assignment, so hopefully you've already done it. If you haven't, this is a quick review. And last but not least, you should have letter of resignation. So that's all that you should have as far as the assignment: Master Application, Resume, Cover Letter, Thank You Letter, and Letter of Resignation. So I'm going to come into this document and show you how to insert. So for Cover Letter, I'm going to go back to the Insert tab, and I'm going to do from Google Drive. And then you can either hit the magnifying glass to search, or if you're like myself and you know what folder it is in, you can go and get it out of that folder, but you have those 2 options. So I'm going to come down here to where it says cover letter. Here's my cover letter, double click, and there it's inserted. Okay, I'm going to close out of this and do it one more time. So if I go back over to my Pages, thank you letter. I'm going to go back to Insert, Drive. And again, I could click here and I could put thank you letter. The hard thing with this is mine comes up with everybody else's, where yours should just come up with yours. So I'm going to double click on that. And there is my thank you letter. And let's go back to Pages. And our very last one, letter of resignation, a resignation letter. I'm going to go back to Insert, Google Drive. Prtfolio. I know that's where it is. Scroll down. I miss you guys, by the way. I'd rather be doing this in person than trying to show you how to find it here. There's my letter of resignation. Okay, so once you've done that, you have all of the professional forms done. So you should have your professional forms, your master application, your resume, cover letter, thank you letter, and letter of resignation. Those should all be included within this. Then depending on which class you are in, it will depend on what you have in there. So if you come to Principles of Teaching and Learning, you should have your introduction slides and your Meet the Teacher. Teaching students with special needs, same thing. Introduction slides and Meet the Teacher. Child development, you only have your introduction slides. Then every one of these classes has a work examples. So if I click on that little arrow, it will show me work examples, TSSN work examples, and child development work examples. So if I go to the work examples page, for example, child development, you should have 1, 2, 3 from first semester. You are supposed to add 3 more. So if I go to my insert page, remember, because you only have 1 page for all classes of your work examples, you need to do that title. As you can see here, there's research and there's your assignment. So you want to do that text box, and then you would type in whichever assignment you are going to add. For example, if I was going to do my children's book, I would do that. And then for this, because I don't have this document, I would include a picture. But again, you do the same thing. You come in here to Drive, come to here, and for this purpose, I am going to add in the assignment as for what the assignment was. So if I come into here, oh, this would be a good one to add. Let's do this instead. So let's do preschool design and schedule. Okay, so there you would have it. I am going to do one for each class. So if I come back to my pages, if I go into work examples for Principles of Teaching and Learning, give your best and worst teacher, famous educator, welcome poster, back to school presentation, parent letter, learning disabilities, brain research. Go back to insert a box. Then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to insert an assignment. I'm going to do my philosophy of education. So normal text, heading. Please make sure you look at your specific assignment to see what needs to be in this assignment. Spell check. And then last but not least, oh, we need to add one more. Let's go to pages, TSSN. So go through, here's your assignments. You should have your first semester assignments. We're going to insert a text box, going to insert from Drive. Please make sure you look and see what the expectations are for your assignment. I am not specifically going into each assignment to show you what you are supposed to have. I am just trying to show you quickly trying to show you quickly how you could insert an assignment for each one of these classes. And that's the wrong way too. I will be available during your finals time this week to work on this and help you with this. Please make sure that if you need help, you are definitely reaching out to me. You are coming to that assigned time. It will all be in the morning announcements, and I will also be adding a specific link for you to access that and to come on and join me in this fun activity of making sure you get everything in there. So for TSSN, I'm going to insert the thematic unit because this is your culminating event. But please make sure if you have questions or concerns that you are coming to those office hours, I can walk you through step by step. We can help you to add everything that needs to be in there. And you will be sure to have all of your documents. So once you are done adding everything that you need to add, please go back to your home page. You can do that here, or you can come here and go to home here and hit publish. Now, publishing is a little bit different, as we noticed from the last time we did this. It gives you an opportunity to look at what is there, what you have currently published, if there's anything you want to change, if there's anything that's missing, and you will hit publish. Now on Google Classroom, it says to share the link with me. I do have links from last semester, but some of you, I don't have your links. So please make sure you come right here to this thing that says link, click on that, click on copy link. Then you will go to the assignment. So let's go to Google Classroom. If I come to, I'm just going to come to Child Development under Classwork. Here's the assignment. Please make sure you come in here and somewhere you add the link. So for example, if I come to Kindle, she has shared her link with me in the comments right there. I did send a message to make sure that it was all the new items were added before being marked on, but there she just added it. So you click in there, Control-C, and that adds the comment. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. This is very important. This is your final, and I am here to help you. I hope this helped and hope you're having a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.